Hey girl, I'm going to entitle this video Wolf Cut Part 2. I wanted a few more layers, so I did it. Keep watching. Hey, look, I was wondering should I come on here and document this or not, or do a video, but I think I'm going to go ahead and just show you guys. You guys know I did the wolf cut. I love my layers, but as you can see, there's none really in the back. I think I'm going to just, and I want it a little bit shorter in the top, so I think this is going to be wolf cut Part 2. So I'm pretty much finished with my set. I'm going to go ahead and let this air dry. We got to go run some errands, but it may be tomorrow before I get back on here. Usually my second, third day hair is better anyway, especially with this Miss Jessie. So we'll see. I might get back on here tonight. I may get back on later, but I'll show you the results later. And I'm already seeing the difference in my layers. I'm already seeing the difference. I wish my lighting was a little bit better because my dark part up under here, it always makes it look like one side is longer than the other, but it really isn't. It's really the same. I don't know if you can see it or not. But yeah, we'll chat later. All right, guys, this is the next day. So look at my curls. Get into it. Get into it. Tell me what you think about it. I let it dry overnight. I really haven't fluffed it. I haven't done anything, but in like 2 or 3 days, it's just gonna get bigger and bigger, and I like it even more, and I'll probably pick it out and make it really big. You guys haven't really seen it like that, but I'll try to make a video of maybe in a couple of days how it looks compared to now. How about that? So you can just check it out. But yeah, guys, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can see my little layers coming through. I'm trying to get that heart shape, you guys, but I think the bottom of my hair is really too long, and I could probably take some more weight off here. I just don't know if I want to cut it that short, but I want to make this do. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you tried the wolf cut, what you thought about it, or what you think about mine. And hopefully I'll be seeing you in my next video. Take care.